This is the bell work for March 20th. Start by listening to the video, learn the material, and at the end you'll have an opportunity to write out the questions. The first question today is, how did Henry Ford increase the production and sales of the automobile? Ford increased the production and sales of the automobile by using the assembly line. The assembly line allowed one person to work on one part of the car. For example, one person worked on the tires while somebody else worked on the windshield. Together, they were able to mass produce cars. With mass production, it meant more cars were built in less time. Because Ford's assembly line saved on labor cost, the company could sell cars for less money. More people could afford to buy cars that were built on assembly lines. The second question is, what is the 18th Amendment? As you can see from the photos, women were very much involved in helping the 18th Amendment get passed. The 18th Amendment forbade the manufacturing, distributing, and sales of alcohol in the United States. As a result of the 18th Amendment, Al Capone and bootleggers thrived. Al Capone is notorious for saying, "I make my money from supply and a public demand. If I break the law, my customers, who number hundreds of the best people in Chicago, are as guilty as I am. The only difference between us is that I sell and they buy. Everybody calls me a racketeer. I call myself a businessman." As you can see, a bad habit, drinking alcohol, was replaced by organized crime. That is why the 18th Amendment has often been called a noble experiment. It was noble because women wanted the best for their husbands in the community. It was an experiment because it didn't work. A bad habit of drinking was replaced by even something far worse, organized crime. Therefore, the 18th Amendment was repealed. So today's bellwork questions are, how did Henry Ford increase the production and sales of automobiles? And why was the 18th Amendment considered a noble experiment? Now is your opportunity to write down the questions and the answers. Good luck.